Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Getting serious for a moment here today. This is an unplanned, unscheduled video. This is kind of off the cuff, and I wanted to talk about something. So if you watch the channel Cookie Ken, you know what's going on already, but in case you don't, I wanted to kind of spread the word. So Cookie Ken is another small moto vlogger in Maryland. And him and some buddies were planning a trip up to Canada. They'd been planning this for a while. Well, they got about 400 miles away from home in New Hampshire, and one of Ken's good friends went down, had a motorcycle accident, and he was hurt really badly. So he is in ICU in New Hampshire right now. I don't know the extent of it, but he did say that he had some spinal injuries and that he is still in ICU. I think it's been about 2 weeks, if I understand correctly. So he's a younger man, 37 years old, with a family at home, and he is in New Hampshire, 400 miles away from home, in ICU with potentially life-changing injuries. So I heard about that, and it's been on my mind since last night when I heard about it. If you don't watch Cookie Ken, I suggest you do. I'll leave a link to his channel. Go check him out. Good dude. But also, Cookie Ken has started a GoFundMe to help this young man, Matt, and his family. And I'll leave a link in the description if you choose to help out, if you feel so inclined. The reason I wanted to make this, I do not know Matt. I do not personally know Ken, but this is something that hits close to home. This is something that could happen to any of us on any given day. All right, it's just the nature of what we do, and don't take that lightly. Don't take it for granted. And it was also Ken's sincerity in delivering this message that compelled me as well. So I don't have much of a platform. It's very small, but man, I want to help out if I can. So just trying to spread the word. Please go check out Cookie Ken and hear him tell you. There's a link in the description, like I said, and also if you want to read the story of Matt, the link to the GoFundMe is in there as well. I'm not asking you to just give. I'm asking you to go look at it and make up your own mind. And please remember, a little bit of help from a lot of people goes a long way. So I hope you guys have a good, safe 4th of July weekend. That being said, please be safe out there on the roads. There's a lot of crazy people out there that just don't see us. All right. Enjoy your weekend safely. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Later.